Welcome back to our channel, where the extraordinary is just another Tuesday. Get ready to check out some of the coolest machines that work like magic. Seriously, they're out of this world. Labeling bottles. This one print machine makes it quick and spot on. These workers have discovered a speedy way to get things done. Talk about efficiency. Meet the magnetic window cleaner that tackles both sides of the glass at once. Talk about multitasking. This slicer creates paper-thin cuts on almost any food. Yum! This jackfruit cheese sampler could give pizzas a run for their money. Yum! This cutting tool is perfection when it comes to shaping materials. This is the epitome of precision in locomotive coupling. No room for error here. Trimming excess from hundreds of layers of blankets is done with astonishing ease. Who knew it could be so simple? This tool writes as neatly as a printer. How handy is that? Wait a minute. Are those the same workers from earlier? It's raining mozzarella thanks to this cheese grater. Cheesy goodness everywhere. Keep an eye on yourself. You'll want to come out in one piece after watching this. This vacuum cleaner tackles hours of work in just minutes. Who wouldn't want one of these? Watch how this machine whips up pipes faster than you can say plumbing. Today, we're all about those welding videos. They never get old. With a dash of southern ingenuity and some flammable gas, this tractor lifts like it's weightless. Ever wondered how they attach handles to your glass cups? Here's your answer. A little heat works wonders on this vinyl wrap, making it look brand new. Watch as this machine cuts tiles with such precision. It's an art form. Meet the tree uprooter that safely relocates entire trees for replanting. Knurling creates gripping patterns on metal rods. It's all in the details. Watch as lasers zap away rust like it's no big deal. A motorized pulley system makes it super easy for boats to pass through a dam. Smooth sailing ahead. Here's a time-lapse of pool cleaning. Watch it sparkle in no time. Look how satisfying this carpet washing is. It's like a spa day for rugs. Using a motorcycle engine, this team pulls heavy loads uphill without breaking a sweat. Talk about horsepower. I think I just spotted a new way to slice through metal. How cool is that? Achieving a perfect seal between windows and walls is now a breeze with this machine. Watch as this truck's back end slams into the expressway. Ouch! This demolition machine uproots trees like they're weeds. Talk about power. A chef conquers challenges with a specially designed device that inspires us all. Regrouting floors become smooth sailing thanks to this handy machine. Just look at this engineering marvel. It's incredible what they can create. This machine makes dumplings all by itself. No human help needed here. Hydrography gives us a fast and surprising way to paint objects. Who knew? Ever wondered how birthday ribbons are made? Let's find out together. Let's just skip over this one. It speaks for itself. Cleaning oil from fryers just got easier with this efficient filtration system. Bye-bye dirt. How satisfying was that pot polishing? It's like magic for your kitchenware. Watch as this machine scoops up piles of trash in one go. Cleaning made easy. I don't know what this is, but it looks absolutely amazing. This satisfying technique trims away excess material, perfectly molding the sole to the boot in minutes. So neat. This machine clears snow from roads faster than you can say, Winter Wonderland. Not sure what's going on here, but it looks like someone might need a rescue. These snow chains clear snow and ice like pros, ensuring you won't get stuck again. That was such a lovely heart-shaped design in blue. So charming. A master craftsman shows unmatched precision in his work. It's like watching magic happen. Watch how flawlessly this artist works. Pure talent on display. This innovative machine pulls perfect corks straight from the tree. Talk about fresh. Can't tell if the octopus is struggling or just having the good time. Either way, it's entertaining. Now that's what I call nail-biting action. We love it. This tool punches through metal like it's paper. Who knew cutting could be so easy? We need to slow down and see how these machines handle cardles. Seriously impressive work. This landscaping job turns an old lawn into a masterpiece. Talk about curb appeal. Check out how they whip up candy in the factory. It's sweeter than you think. Here's another sweet and speedy way to weld. Safety first. This rower belt somehow manages to keep utensils intact. Impressive, right? Check out this razor-sharp blade that slices wood so thin, you can practically see through it. Here's a time-lapse of flooring work. It's mesmerizing to watch. Creating perfect dumplings with just a comb and some skill. Now that's talent. Applying cement just got a whole lot easier. Seriously, how satisfying was that? Check out how effortlessly this worker gets his job done. It's impressive. These guys can design wooden pottery in minutes with their handy machine. This machine loads cement faster than you can blink. Seriously fast. Witness the flawless finish on this freshly sealed pavement. Looks great, doesn't it? See how a simple sheet of metal magically transforms into a shovel in seconds. Check out this amazing coconut harvesting machine. Efficient and safe. It's like a tropical superhero. With this tool, cracking eggs is now a clean and easy task. No more eggy mess. I'm officially a fan of this guy's precision. He makes it look easy. Watch as this helicopter skillfully weaves through trees. Talk about precision flying. This gadget slices through thick metal like it's butter on a hot day. Check out this impressive 3D printer building a massive boat minus 25 feet and 5,000 pounds of pure precision. Ever seen paint dumped into buckets like this? It's quite the sight. This farmer got creative with his machine. Innovation at its best. Check out this new welding method. Simple and super easy.